An annular solar eclipse is an upcoming celestial phenomenon that has caught the attention of astronomy enthusiasts around the world. During this eclipse, the moon passes in front of the sun, creating a ring of fire effect in the sky. Unlike a total solar eclipse, the moon never completely covers the sun, creating a uniquely beautiful sight. Astronomers call this an annular solar eclipse. In fact, the name comes from the Latin word annulus, which means ring. That's because it refers to the outer ring of the sun's surface that is visible at the center of the eclipse. October 2, 2024, the eclipse will be visible in parts of South America, the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, and Antarctica. Most of it will be visible from the ocean. The eclipse will begin in the South Pacific at approximately 10:56 a.m. Universal Time and will peak over Argentina at 12:25 p.m. Universal Time. The eclipse will last approximately 3 hours and end in the southern Atlantic at approximately 1:52 p.m. Universal Time. At the time of the strongest eclipse in the Pacific, the moon will cover 93% of the center of the sun, forming a ring of fire visible for 7 minutes and 25 seconds. This annular solar eclipse is special for 3 very different reasons. First, it follows the Great North American solar eclipse on April 8, so interest in the eclipse will be high and many eclipse hunters will travel to see the eclipse. Secondly, this is a long eclipse, with the ring of fire lasting up to 7 minutes 25 seconds, which is much longer than the 4 minutes 52 seconds. That may occur in the United States during the last annular solar eclipse on October 14, 2023. The eclipse will last a total of 223 minutes, at the maximum of the eclipse. Thirdly, the best place to witness this event is a truly iconic destination, Rapa Nui, also known as Easter Island. The sun will be slightly more than 86% obscured by the moon for people along the central path of the eclipse. The visible part of the sun is its outer surface. So essentially an annular solar eclipse is a partial solar eclipse throughout the entire event. The magnitude of the solar eclipse on October 2, 2024 is 0.93 to 6. This means that during the eclipse, approximately 93% of the sun will be obscured by the moon, creating a ring. The moon will appear 6.4% smaller than average. Never look directly at the sun during a solar eclipse except for the very brief period when the sun is totally eclipsed, and even then, caution is advised. Looking directly at the sun can cause permanent damage to your eyes. Therefore, do not forget to use eye protection. If you or your child notices any changes in vision that continue to worsen after viewing the eclipse, see an eye doctor.